Cassie from Jeep Gear and Gadgets, and today we're going to be doing some work on the interior of the Jeep. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll have seen how trashy the floorboards looked. It looked like the previous owner had worn metal cleats or something while he drove because he had taken the carpet out. So today we're going to be putting in some Bedrug. That is our project this weekend. So we've already prepped the floorboards. We've wiped it down with some soap and water, and we put primer and then paint down. So many of you already know what Bedrug is, but for those of you that don't, it's an aftermarket carpet solution if you're looking to replace your current carpet, or if you've already taken your carpet out and you're looking to put something else in. So it says it right here on the box. It's a quick install, waterproof and mildew resistant, and it helps with the heat and noise insulation. So, you know, Jeeps are really noisy, and this can help with that, especially when you're driving down the road at 60 miles an hour. And it'll also help with some of that heat in the summertime because it gets really hot. So let's open the box up and see what it's got. Wow, it feels like carpet. That's awesome. All right, so we got it out of the box. We only got the front for now. We're gonna worry about the back later. You can get this for about $170 online, which is what we did. And as you can see, I mean, it literally looks like carpet. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's kind of like a nice thickness to it, and it feels like carpet as well. So it comes with instructions, some Velcro tape, and some thermal paper, I think is what this is called. I'm not really sure. All right, so I've obviously never done this before, so I'm going off of the directions, and it says to put the heat shield on the back of the passenger side and driver side mats. So that is what we are going to do, and we're going to put the Velcro on as well. So I'm gonna get to it. Ready? As pretty as I'm gonna be able to make it look. Alright, so we're gonna put it in on the floorboard now. We're gonna sneak this part underneath the center console. Some people might have to unscrew theirs and loosen it a little bit, but ours is already loose. And then you're gonna put this part back under the seat. So I'm gonna do that, leave this part open. That way I can just kind of sneak in and take the adhesive off and press down on it afterwards to get it to stick. Alright, so we finagled it all in there. We got it underneath the console and back here behind the seat. Like I said, I left this side open so that I could reach my hand under and pull the adhesive, the paper on the back of the adhesives off and stick the Bedrug down. So I'm going to do that now. So 1, 2. Press it down. And stick this back down below the seat. All right, so the driver's side is done. As you can see, it was a super easy install, and it really makes the interior of the Jeep just look cozy and complete. I really like what it looks like in here. So now we're gonna go do the exact same thing on the passenger side, and then I'm gonna show you how to put it in on the back. All right, so now we're ready to do the back. So we put the seats all the way up as far as they can go, and then we remove the 2 screws that are inside of the cup holder. Now in the back, we're just gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna tuck it up and under, and then when I'm ready, I'm gonna remove the adhesives and stick it down. All right, so this is more than a 2-hand job, so I'm gonna have Ben help me out. Got the back installed. One thing the instructions don't tell you is that you need to cut holes in the Bedrug where the screws go through the cup holders in the back. So we did have to do that. And once we got that in, we were pretty much done with this project. Overall, it took about 45 minutes, but I really do think it gives the Jeep a much more clean and complete look on the interior. I think we're gonna be satisfied with it. And I'll give you another video in a couple months to let you know how it's holding up and if we are still satisfied with it. But overall, it looks really good, and I think it'll be beneficial to have. All right, so I have a couple projects coming up, and I want you to tell me which one you want to see next in the comments below. So we have grab handles. These are pretty new to market. They're a little different, so I could do an install of these. I have the red Ultra Hook. I know I've already done one Ultra Hook video, but I decided to splurge and get the red Ultra Hook. And also we have rock lights. So let me know which one you want to see. As always, give this video on the Bedrug a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and my name's Cassie, and keep Jeeping classy.